Welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host, Joe Saz, and today we're going to discuss chart's fucked again, but we're going to discuss the price action we have regarding this massive crash. So let me get to screen share. Hope everyone's doing well, and let's get the party started. All right. Yo, this is really starting to piss me off. I don't know why it's showing like a big old empty space here. We may have to take a look at this. All right, saved. What's this thing saying we're at? All right, so it's doing the bullshit again. Fuck this. We're pulling up the Bitcoin daily chart. Drop this to a 5-minute. So our RSI is absolutely just super nuked. This is, to be honest, you guys, this is probably a good buy. It's probably a good buy right now, like this minute. Not telling you what to do, but man, this is a damn good buy. Bitcoin doesn't really get these types of sales. So we had a crash earlier. Let's see, this is Thursday. So this is this morning, just past midnight, went sideways through a consistent amount of signals, which we can see over here on TRDR, and a lot of signals here. So, I mean, this is definitely the buy range, and this final capitulation is just some absolute fools selling the bottom, but we're probably going to be popping up here pretty soon. Taking a look, the dual band, the aggregated spot market band, red, thinning out as we as we were hovering down low here in the 28,000, mid 28,000 range, and then it started to fill up a bit right before the crash. I don't really like that coincidence, a little funky to me, but we'll have to analyze that another time. Perps, we're getting more and more bullish. We have fallen off. Obviously, we can't look at the current data because it's all just complete trash. We don't really know exactly what's happening because the chart isn't really populating well. But overall, we've had some a great deal of interested buyers and perps, and I like that. Now, one thing to note is the entire time that we've been doing this, we've had some sell signals overhead, 2.5 to 5% sell band signals. And man, that's definitely led us into a massive move down. So we still have them, it looks like, and I'm a little bit sketched out. So I would take the trade. I would keep a stop tight, and I'd really strongly consider taking money and running each time. Each trade that you can take money and run, take it and run. This looks like it's a pretty decent trade, though. Obviously, this isn't a sell signal in and of itself, but it represents resistance. And, we already knew that there was resistance in the $30,000 area. So I think we have a move from somewhere around here up to 30,000 range. At the very least 29,000s, which we've been trading sideways doing this type of thing for so long. So definitely a lot of action today, but we've swept down pretty far, pretty fast, with one move down in midnight, one move down today, this morning, like just a little bit ago. So that means that there aren't too many orders left in the order book. When you have a fast run down, what you have is not enough sellers chasing the order book, filling it with limit orders. So what's likely to happen what's likely to happen when you go too far too fast, like we had a sell-off at midnight, we had a sell-off right now, just a little while ago. We covered a good bit of price action from the 28,000s and all the way from the 29,000s all the way to the high 27s. And so what happens is you're pushing deeper and deeper into bids, limit buys, and eventually you kind of hit bedrock on that end. And what happens is you don't really give enough time for sellers to stack the book with sells. And so that leaves massive liquidity pockets. And so what will likely happen is we're going to run up very far, very fast, and probably a faster amount of time than it took us to get down here, because there are no sellers stacking the book with liquidity on the sell side. So that's what I think is going to happen. And I think this is a great trade long. So obviously let's let time tell. Look forward to seeing you all maybe later today in a trade stream. All right, everyone, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. All right, everyone, much love to you all. Peace.